How to make Instagram story visible to everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device. As you launch the Instagram application, what you can simply do is make sure you have logged into your account. Now simply make sure that you have a public account, because if you have a private account, you'll not be able to share or you'll not be able to make your Instagram story visible to everyone. So simply tap on your profile, then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on account privacy. So make sure that your private account is toggled off and you have a public account. So as you do that, you can now just go to your story, and I'm going to just add a story over here. And as you do that, you can now just post on your story and it will be visible to everyone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.